Hi guys, I'm Gabby from Raider Media.
And I'm Emma from Raider Media.
And we have received a gift.
Ah! And it's our colors.
Yay.
Let's see who it's from. Do you want to open it?
Sure.
Be our guest.
Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys.
We love the support that you're giving us, and this box is very pretty. It's giving school colors.
Okay, let's see who this is from.
Ooh,
thank you for your support.
No, it's a long letter. I am so sorry, but we're.
Should I read it?
Can you read it?
Be like, okay, then. Yeah, read it to the group. Just read
Okay.
That's
It's long. Okay, I can read it though.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, okay, the letter says, Dear Mrs. Estabrook and Raider Media students, I wanted to express how proud and inspired I am by the incredible work you are doing through the Raider News. What you have created is more than just a class or a broadcast. It is a powerful platform that informs, uplifts, and unites our school community. The time, dedication, and creativity that each of Okay, this is really long. This is really long.
Why didn't she rip apart the envelope, y'all?
That each of you pours into this program does not go unnoticed. From highlighting student talents to sharing essential school updates, your work gives life to everyday moments that make our school special. You are telling our students' stories, celebrating our students, and building connections that strengthen our school culture in meaningful ways. As an alumni of this school, it is especially meaningful for me to see students being given a voice and a space to lead, create, and inspire. You are carrying forward the Raider traditions and spirit in such a modern, impactful way. School spirit is not just about sports and games, it's about pride, positivity, and feeling seen. You are helping create that feeling for so many students, and that is something truly special. Thank you for your passion, your creativity, and your commitment to building a stronger community. You are shaping the culture of this school in ways that will be felt longer after the broadcast ends. Keep shining, keep telling stories, and keep being leaders. The Raider legacy is brighter because of you. Once a Raider, always a Raider, from Miss Annie.
Thank you so much, Miss Annie.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now, guys, we can get into the unboxing.
All right.
Go ahead and take off the ribbon.
All right.
It's right here, yes.
Yes, let's do it together.
Yes, okay.
Ooh, I'm so excited. And nice soap. Ready?
Okay, so the bottom is right here, guys. So we can go ahead and open this up. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for all this PR.
Let's just rip it open. Oh my God. Can't rip it. Okay.
So unfortunately, we may need some scissors. So we'll be back in a second.
I got the sharp nails. I got stiletto done. Don't play.
Oh! You pull out one thing, I'll pull out the other. Ready?
Yeah, you can pull out yours first.
Okay. So we have 3 new wireless mics.
That's what we're wearing right now. Oh my God. Next we have a microphone. Yes! Thank you so much, Miss Annie, for this. We really love these gifts.
We love and appreciate you, and we love all of you guys. Thank you
so much. Love you.